Guess I'm not going anywhere tonight. Back, everybody. Glad you guys could join me on this dark and stormy night. What we're going to be doing today is installing some sequentials to the side mirror. That one's already been done, so I can learn the process before showing you guys. We're going to work on the driver's side. I'm going to take you through it, everything from disassembling to plugging it in to reassembling. I'm probably going to go over the basic process of it. We'll get that all set, wired up, hopefully get you guys looking good if you're deciding to do the same thing. Excuse the dog. All right, let's jump on into it. All right, so what comes first is going to be getting off the actual mirror part. So with taking out the mirror, the quickest way I found is to turn it as far up as you can and then stick a pry tool underneath here and work it slowly until it pops out. Now it'll pop the first set of them. There, you should just be able to pull it out gently. All right, remember, do not rush it. Slow and steady, work it. It should come out just like this. And you can set it off to the side, let it hang out. The next portion will be to get the mirror cap off. It's just held in by clips like anything else. You can see a clip in here. There's a clip up there. That's enough to get you started. And then you just pry it off like anything else. I take my little pry tool here. Reach in. Push that one until you push it out. All right. They come to the top and start prying around. Okay, so like we talked about, you've got clips in different places, so you're gonna pop them out. Now, this is something where you wanna go slow and steady, and again, I don't have a tripod, so I'm gonna pause it for you guys while I get this done. All right, so we got the first bit out. Now we just wanna pry around slowly and intentfully. When you're prying, if you see I went across the top here, from here, a lot of people will just pull it off. Try not to do that. Make sure you also come down underneath. Run your pry tool along here too. All right, so now that we've got the mirror cap off, there's going to be 4 screws that you need to remove so you can take this light off. 1, 2, 3, and this part pulls down, 4 is hidden underneath. Okay, so with all 4 screws removed, you can now take the light and gently pull it out. Not yank it. You're gonna have to work it a little bit. And you've got a plug hidden back here. That's what controls your lights by default. So you're gonna need to get this out, but unlike normal, there's no clip for it. So the easiest way I found is to use the prying tool. Grab your prying tool, get it in there, and kind of push it out gently. Just kind of bounce around it until you get it. All right, so I reached the prying tool in there, give it a bit of a push. There you go. That's your OEM. It's out. And put that aside for now. Then you can grab your sequentials. Now the way to know is they go from small to large, and this piece should be on the bottom. So for this one, it only fits with the right orientation. So that's how you know it's your right one. All right, now this part is very important, the wiring. So for these wiring, I need your red and your black wires. You want to take your red wire and run it to the red and yellow wire. Your black wire goes to the black and yellow wire. You just stick the prongs on the inside here that matches up, and then you should have power. All right, now you can see that's hooked up. Red going to red and yellow, black going to black and yellow. So we should have power. And of course you can test them with the car on. A quick way to test them is just to lock your car. So actually I have to hop in. See that run? That's locked. Here's unlocked. Should work the exact same with the turn signal. So once that portion is done, that's all you need for the sequential portion of it. If you just want those sequential lights, you're good to go. You can put everything back together and button it up. All right, so going through the process of putting it back together, it's pretty simple. First, everything you did. Tuck these wires, 4 screws, cap on, mirror pops back in. So let's get it all done. Take this and you pop it right back on like it was never gone. Line everything up nice and neat and push. Pops right back into place. And the last step, take your mirror, then you just push it back in. Up, push it back, it will snap into place, and you're done. Hear that? Let's take a final look at it. So we lock our doors, open them. Gotta love it. And look at that. nice OEM look, sequential lights. Beautiful. Cool. Thank you for hanging out with me during this rainstorm while we got everything installed. I'm gonna head inside out of this rain, so I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Thank you guys for sticking with me, learning this process. Huge shout out to Joe Wynn. He's gonna be the guy to see for these LEDs. Super fast shipping, everything comes perfect, and he's there to guide you through the whole process. So with that being said, I wanted to give a huge shout out to all my new subscribers. If you've seen this video, if this helped you, if you want to leave any tips, have any questions, drop in the comment section below. Of course, leave me a like, hitting that subscribe button. I genuinely do appreciate it. With that being said, I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with me. I definitely appreciate you. And remember to always ride easy.